You guys are back so soon, and I look like the Hulk because I'm busy with a little pampering session, and I'm about to go do my toenails. So if you want to watch me do them, because they seriously need some TLC, then stay tuned. Here we have my ugly old toenails. Big no-no. I've taken all the old product off, cleaned my cuticles and reshaped my toenails. If you want to see a separate video on how I've done that, then comment down below. Step 1 is to apply nail prep to all my nails and then let it dry. I'll then be applying a primer, and I'm going to be doing that twice. Just make sure it's dry before you apply the second coat. Step 3, base coat. I'm going to apply that to every toenail, and then use the stick thingy on the right to clean up anywhere that I've messed, and then put it in the oven for 30 seconds to bake. Step 4 is to choose your color. I've gone with this pretty pink that my camera decided not really to focus on. I'm just going to be applying a thin coat to each nail and bake that for another 30 seconds. Just to help speed things up, I've applied 2 more coats off camera. So pretty! This step is for the nail art. I found these beautiful gems that I'm going to be using. Make sure to apply a thin layer of top coat so that the gems can stick to something, and then bake it for 30 seconds. I've decided to place a small gem in the middle of the rest of my toenails. Next up, top coat. I'm going to apply a layer to each of my toenails and then just put that in for 90 seconds. I then take gel finishing wipe and wipe off any residue that's left on my toenails. Last but not least, cuticle oil. There you have it, stunning, new, fresh, beautiful toenails. That's the end of my video. If you enjoyed it, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you're excited to see what I do next. I am. Thanks so much for watching. Bye! Caught me turned into the Hulk. As you can see, I'm busy getting my glam on.